Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to break the ring in WWE 2K25. First of all, make sure you're playing an Extreme Rules match and that there's a super heavyweight in the match. Also go to the match option and turn KO on under custom match rules. Now during the match, damage your opponent's body until it turns yellow. Then Irish whip your opponent into corner of the ring. Once they are in the corner, press right stick up on Xbox and PlayStation, left control plus I on PC. This will position them on the top turnbuckle. Then perform the ring breaking move by pressing B on Xbox, circle on PlayStation and K on PC. And yeah, it is that simple to break the ring in WWE 2K25. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.